What's kicking, guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shady here at Wrap Sesh. This week we are doing a wrap reveal on the Dark Side Camaro. If you guys remember, last week we did an episode on another under hood install, really cool stuff. Not something we get to do that often, so we did a little episode on that, and this is going to be the full wrap reveal for this car.
The rewrap.
The revamped rewrap.
Yeah.
So if you guys remember, we wrapped this Camaro about a year ago on an old episode in the KPMF Autumn Fire. Really cool color, looks like a matte chrome. One of our first KPMF color changes.
It's like a frosty fire.
Yeah, it looks super fire. And what's crazy is that, like, what is crazy?
What's crazy? What's so crazy?
So what's crazy is we're actually revealing this car at the Future Collectors Car Show here in Phoenix, Arizona. And a year ago, when he didn't have this wrap on, it was just a black, Camaro, and he actually got denied getting into the show. There's only 200 spots, and thousands of people apply for these spots to get into the FCCS show. But the year that he had his wrap on, he got accepted in. So that's really cool.
Now he got in.
Yes, and he's gotten quite a few awards over the past year for best paint finish wrap. But he's just getting a little bored with it, So we wanted to do something to revamp it without totally rewrapping the car, something that would just make it a little more custom.
Yeah.
So Brian, our customer, actually plays, I think it was from Forza.
Forza, yeah. He actually designed the whole wrap on Forza and added like this graphics on the back, which is what you see behind us.
This crazy
here.
grunge, right. And then he's like, this is what I want to do. And I want to show you guys the photo from his game rendering versus our actual car when it's all done. We have a few things to button up today. Yeah. It looks almost exactly the same as the Forza rendering. It's pretty cool. So to do this, what we had to do, because he has the existing bronze wrap, is we worked with Larb Designs, and he created a custom kind of grunge pattern for us that's a black and red. And then what we had to do was print it on the 3M Clear 180 MC.
Oh yeah.
Really cool film we like to use here and there.
Here and there.
We printed it on the clear with our Muto 1624X Wrapper's Choice Eco Solvent printer. And then we laminated it in a luster kind of satin finish to match the wrap. And then we had to send it through the plotter to cut everything out.
Well, so the trunk and the bumper are not plotted. That's actually
fully wrapped.
Fully wrapped. And then we actually blended it so that way you wouldn't see a line where the clear film was on the sides. So all the sides are actually plotted.
So all this side right here is actually printed, plotted, cut graphics.
Yeah.
And it was super, super hard. This is a really hard kit to do in the first place.
This is like a shelf.
But he basically had to do it with masking tape as well. So really, really complex to do.
Yeah.
And another thing to keep in mind, there's a huge wing that goes on right here. So we have a seam that's hidden.
Yeah, there's a big wing goes on it. Big wang.
Really kind of complex install, but a really cool outcome. It's got a seamless blend into the color change wrap. A really cool way to revamp it.
It's like a cool shatter effect.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see this all done.
Sometimes so we're texting back, but baby, don't you know I will come around and let you know I'm always coming back. 5 in the morning, all we do is fight, and thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you're settled. You don't wanna get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it.
guys want to follow this car, check him out on Instagram, my Dark Side SS. That is Brian from One Auto Movement. They're all good vibes and high fives. Shout out to KPMF and 3M for helping us make this awesome wrap possible, as well as Glarb Designs.
Glarb and Sauce.
Make sure to keep up on our daily fun on Facebook and Instagram. That's going to be Rap-AZ and Vinyl Vixen Raps. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. And we'll see you next week. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Go. Wait, do it.
It's like one of those people, you could like paint me into the wall. That'd be funny. You just talk the whole time. You got something to say? Tell everyone else. Okay.
Fresh.
Being a poop right now.
Cause the door's shut.
Yeah. Wait. Is that what you do? You just eat people. You can't eat me.
You can't maul people for fun. Are you finished? Are you done?